Hey folks, if you own a GoPro, then you love this thing, but you also hate it at the same time. On a good day, you're lucky to get an hour, and that's on the OEM batteries. You buy the cheapy knockoffs, they don't seem to last as long. On a bad day, you're getting even less. And when I say a bad day, I'm talking about a cold day. Near freezing, maybe even a little bit above that, but I took 3 batteries with me last weekend on a snowy winter day hike with Jake. I got about half the day and killed 3 batteries. So I'd been thinking about it before, about what sort of alternatives there might be. There's nothing online that's sold. I can't find one. I came home from that trip. I had some neoprene. I came up with this little idea, but I don't like the idea of having to fiddle with straps, and I made it a little too small. I ended up going to REI later that evening after the hike. Came across this little thing here called the Rumple, the beer blanket. It's a soda can or a beer can sleeve that's kind of like a sleeping bag. It's going to need some slight modifications, as you can see. It's open on the bottom. I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, put a drawstring on there. This is me making it. All right, first things first, let's clear some space here. Don't need that anymore. That's going to be drawstring at some point. So the first thing I'm going to do here is actually remove this, seal the top off, and you know, because there's no reason to have it there. Anyways, I'm going to pick this out. There's a pick. I think that's what it's officially called. I don't know. Thread. Oh, thread ripper, I think is what it's called. Again, not a major sewing person, but there we go. Alright. Over to the sewing machine. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do here is, you see where I've got it pinned? I'm going to sew these pieces here on the ends and then sew across the top, but this will give a little bit of a box shape. It'll create some corners. Don't know how well it'll turn out. This is the prototype, one and only. So we're going to give this a try and hopefully it'll turn out okay. I could really just sew this all by hand. Where's the fun in that? Got it. Not what I was hoping for, but looks okay. Alright, here it is. I like how the bag continues to hold sort of a boxed shape after making those. I don't know if those are pleats. I don't know what those would be called. I'm not a sewer. Like I said, I should know this stuff. Gatherings, something. Anyways, it seems to hold the GoPro just fine. Looks pretty good. I like that. Now I'm going to put a drawstring on there. You know, guy line. It's reflective. It's probably a reflective guy line. I had it from somewhere. I'm just going to thread it through here. I'm going to pull this out and rethink something. out now. Put it right there. Just come out there. Let's see. Work with me. Oh, now that I've got it pulled through and sliding back and forth. That much cord, but trim it. I'll figure out what looks good. Right. My thought is it would be nice to have something holding the hot hand so that it's not flopping around or falling out when you take the camera out. So my thought right now is to put it like that. But I could change my mind here after I put the camera in and see how well it fits. Like that. Oh man, that's a dream right there. That might just work. Let's put a tripod on there. That. Make yourself a GoPro cozy. Alright folks, final thoughts on this after having had a chance to use it this last weekend. It was cold but not freezing. My final decision is that this material probably is not the best, but this Rumpel beer blanket, I'm not entirely sure it would even keep your beer cold or your soda cold. Probably prefer with a little bit more insulation, so something with downfill or a thicker synthetic fill, because really it's not very thick. But I'll still use it. I'll give it some more trials, I guess. Holds the hot hands just nice, and it's convenient to get it on and off. But I just don't know if I saw enough of an indication that it helped with the keeping that camera super warm. Back to the drawing board, but stay tuned. I might have a different take on it at some point in the future. So thanks for watching. Take it easy, guys.